Welcome to Wheel Check Review. The 2026 GMC Savana 6500 is not just another heavy-duty vehicle, it's a bold statement of power, performance, and practicality. Built for those who demand strength and versatility, this massive motorhome truck blends industrial toughness with modern comfort like never before. Under the hood, the Savana 6500 roars to life with a next-generation V8 turbo diesel engine, delivering immense torque and outstanding towing capability. Whether you're hauling equipment, pulling a trailer, or turning it into a luxury motorhome, this beast is designed to handle it all with ease. From the exterior, its design reflects pure confidence, muscular lines, a commanding grille, and LED lighting that gives it a futuristic yet professional look. The chassis is reinforced for maximum durability, ready for off-road adventures or long highway journeys. Step inside, and the story changes from rugged to refined. The 2026 Savana 6500 features a newly upgraded cabin with premium materials, an advanced infotainment system, wireless connectivity, and digital displays that put every control at your fingertips. The spacious interior ensures comfort for long drives, while the ergonomic seats make even tough journeys relaxing. Safety has also leveled up, with adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, lane assist, and a 360-degree camera system. GMC has truly designed this vehicle to keep both driver and passengers protected and confident on every road. The 2026 GMC Savana 6500 isn't just about getting the job done, it's about doing it with style, strength, and sophistication. For those who live for adventure and demand reliability from their vehicle, the Savana 6500 stands as a true icon of modern engineering. Enjoy your journey and like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon.